case your lift remote controller spring ever breaks, one solution just to keep you back in the water is, for the short term until you get a replacement kit from Lift, or you make your own spring, is to use a broccoli or asparagus thick rubber band. Go through the, kind of make a little gap in the front here, because you'll need to get that off anyway to replace the spring eventually. Just kind of open it up a little bit from this gap in the side, pull it forward, rubber band in there, and the trigger, if the rubber band's too long, you can tie a knot in it. But basically it gives you a way of getting your trigger to go back to normal for functional riding in the near term, short term bodge. Also, if you have access to, rubber bands work and elastic hair ties work. If it's too long, you can either double it up or tie a knot in it.